Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix 9anime not working, video loading and streaming problems. Fix 1. Refresh the website. First reload the page using Ctrl plus F5 for Windows or Command plus Shift plus R for Mac. Then try opening the video again. Check if the stream starts normally. Fix 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. First open your browser settings, then go to privacy and security. Now clear cached image, files and cookies, then restart the browser and revisit 9anime. Fix 3. Disable ad blockers temporarily. Turn off ad block, block origin or similar extension. Then refresh the website and test video playback again. Fix 4. Disable VPN or change server. Turn off your VPN temporarily, then refresh the page. If needed, connect to a different VPN server and try again. Fix 5. Check your internet connection. Restart your router or modem and run an internet speed test. Now switch to another network if available. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.